Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for Tech. We are always tries to do something new with our Android devices because Android is the only OS which offers users the power of customizations. In our DSU side loader videos, we already uploaded videos how you can install and boot any custom GSI on any Android device with or without root access. Nowadays, lots of official custom ROMs offering the universally supported GSI along with their official builds. So all devices like OnePlus, Xiaomi, Samsung and all other users can now enjoy the features of this amazing OS. Today we got something amazing, the Rising OS, the most customizable ROM I ever seen based on the Android 15. So today we are going to review the first custom GSI and all its features which will amaze you. This should boot for any Android and I also given the list of officially supported devices in the video description. Now without further delay, let's get started. So I booted the latest Rising OS on the top of oxygenOS 14 on my OnePlus 9RT using the DSU and the Suzuki without root. You can check the video given in iCard for detailed process. This ROM offers lots of aesthetic changes that looks very cool, like this about device page. The new Rising OS logo on the top of the panel, the Android version A15, their community and the greeting cards all look something different. This is a Rising OS version 6.2 based on the Android 15 version. The Rising OS now added their own Easter egg. If you tap on the Rising OS version, you get this rocket launcher style Easter egg. Security patches of this ROM is of latest December 2024. The build date of this ROM is latest of 20th January 2025. Now we will do a quick tour of all the new amazing features that are never seen in any custom ROMs and rarely seen in any stock OEM ROMs. Personalization option is a setting hub of all these things in the Rising OS. Here again the aesthetic of look in the ROM is very stylish with this card-like option menu. In the lock screen setting you get the feature of iOS depth wallpaper. You have to properly tune all the settings available for the proper look of depth wallpaper. Select any new wallpaper for lock screen and then tune the depth wallpaper opacity, vertical and horizontal offset. That will give you the amazing look of the depth effect of the wallpaper on the lock screen and while unlocking the screen. For more amazing look, you can set a different clock style using the clock face setting. You will get bunch of the different and the new clock faces that will give the more amazing look to your lock screen. Next is the theming of the ROM. Under the theme, I got this new wallpaper blur and dim setting. This is inspired from the Nothing Was glass effect. By using this setting, you can blur the home screen or the lock screen wallpaper using the glass or the frosted type of blur effects. This will give the amazing glass-like or the blur effect to the home screen display. Wallpaper dim effect I didn't like it as much as blur effect. Next setting is for the UI customization. You can add the different greetings for the settings panel, which will give you the different greetings on the top of the setting panel whenever you open the settings of your device. Next is the boot animation setting. If you have any boot animation zip file on your device, you can directly use them here using this setting. You can see the preview of boot animations also. But I personally liked the new Rising OS boot animation that I already showcased in the intro of this video. Next are the new power menu styles. These are something different I've seen. Some styles like Cyberpunk, iOS and Layers power menu styles offers amazing look of power menu for your device. Next is another amazing feature called as the system animations. You can change the Android 15 system animations to the new one like Android P styles or the scale one. The scale type of system animations will give another level of animations while opening the settings, application and other activities in your device. Next under the toolbox setting we get the extras option. Here we got the new virtual assistant RISA with the new iOS style animation. But it's buggy for me in my OnePlus 9RT so I don't able to test how it works. Next we got the new RAM boost toggle which rarely available in the custom ROMs. But now we can actually enable the Z RAM to increase your device RAM capacity. Next is the app sidebar. You can add all the system or the user applications in the app sidebar. This feature is similar to the oxygenOS smart sidebar, which offers to open all the applications in the multi-window mode. You can minimize or maximize the screen size, but it's not as much as advanced like oxygenOS 15 open canvas feature, but it's really useful. Next is the new font styles. This ROM offers variety of fonts including the nothing was dot fonts. You will get bunch of the different styles of the font styles which will give different look to your device. Next for the quick setting you get all the old school custom ROM features, but the quick setting widget toggle is a new one which is inspired of oxygenOS. This is a traditional look of QS panel, but after enabling the quick setting widget toggle, it converted into this style, where you get the fixed expanded network and the Bluetooth widgets with the vertical brightness and the volume slider widgets, while other QS panel toggle will be flexible. Next feature is a gestures. You get the shake gesture to use multiple activities on your device. You can set different shortcut activities for the shake gestures and its sensitivity. This is pretty useful to quickly open anything on your device by just checking your device. Next, under the display setting, you get the different display engines like Sony's X-Reality, Triluminous Pro types of display engines. I especially like the Triluminous Pro display engine which boosts the clarity of display to the complete next level. Next, under the same extra setting, you will get the quick switch option to switch between the Pixel launcher and highly customizable Ortus launcher. Ortus launcher offers all the customizations that all old custom ROMs are offering, so I will not go in the deeper of this setting. Next, under the wallpaper and style, you get lots of different wallpapers from the Nothing devices like Nothing Phone 1, Nothing 2A, wallpapers from the Pixel 9 series, New Rising OS wallpaper. So you will get the bunch of the different styles without need of downloading the third-party wallpapers for this ROM. Now comes my most favorite feature of this ROM. It's called as the lock screen widgets. You can enable the lock screen widgets in this ROM. You can even customize their look. You can add 2 big and 4 small widgets. Some of these widgets are not interactive widgets, means they can only be used to show some information on the lock screen like clock, battery percentage, RAM and the CPU performance. While small widgets like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi are interactive and they can be toggled to straight from the lock screen to enable the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth. Now bar is a media widget which will show us the correctly running media files on your device and it will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. You can pause, play and forward or backward the media files using this setting directly from the lock screen. All these widgets will look very gorgeous on the always on display and similar to the Nothing OS lock screen. So these are all the amazing features of the new Rising OS 6.2. But as this is a GSI, on my OnePlus 9RT I got some major bugs like play integrity is failing, no fingerprint unlock is working and no mobile data, except that all other things are working. You may face different bugs as per your device because GSI are universal builds. But why to worry about the custom GSI when we have DSU side loader? If you seen our iCard video for installation of such GSI using the DSU loader, then you can use such ROM as a dual boot with your primary ROM. If you want to boot to the stock ROM, just tap reboot option available in the notification panel. This will boot your device into your stock ROM. And whenever you want to use the custom ROM again, just restart your device. It's that easy to dual boot your custom GSI with DSU loader. So that's it for today guys. Hope you guys liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get such amazing more content for your device. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.